Welcome to another video of Best Deals. Check the description below as discounts and coupons will only be valid through those links.
Time to tidy up your yard. Turn garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch with the Chipper Joe electric chipper and shredder from Sun Joe. Assembly is easy. Mount the wheels, screw it into place, plug it in, and go. 14 amps of rotary blade power to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Brush, leaves, branches, twigs, chip, shred, mulch, and compost. With an electric motor that runs at up to 4,300 revolutions per minute. And steel blades that reduce waste to 1/16 of its original size. Chipper Joe can do it all. Create perfect mulch for trees, flower beds, and lawns. Clean your yard and nurture it. No smoke, no fumes, no finicky starters or costly tune-ups. It just works. Shred branches up to 1.5 inches thick quickly and safely with its removable safety switch and safety stop that automatically engages when the hopper is opened. Chipper Joe is ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. When yard chores seem to be overwhelming, chipper up with some help from Chipper Joe and experience a faster and easier way to chip and shred. Get the tools that do the doing. Chipper Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
The YARDMAX 3-inch 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder. A durable and easy-to-use machine that conveniently turns branches and other yard debris into mulch, compost, or wood chips. Powered by a 6.5 horsepower engine and with an easily adjustable self-feeding chute that efficiently handles branches up to 3 inches diameter with no extra prep or pruning. Save valuable time and hassle with the rugged, easy to maneuver and maintain YARDMAX chipper shredder. Backed by a 2-year warranty. Max value, max performance. That's YARDMAX. Tame the great outdoors.
The Earthquake Tazz chipper shredder offers incredible performance in a surprisingly compact package. Clean up your property with ease and turn leaves, brush, and branches into mulch that can be used for other landscaping projects. All Tazz models are powered by easy starting engines, powerful enough to chip branches up to 3 inches in diameter. The rugged steel hopper stands at only 34 inches high, so yard waste can be dropped in with minimal effort. Larger branches can be fed into Tazz's limb chute. The grinding chamber features heavy-duty knives and hammers that will reduce material down to 1/20th of its original volume. Mulch can be collected with the included debris bag and quickly emptied using its bottom-out zipper. We also offer a vacuum kit accessory sold separately that allows your Tazz chipper shredder to suck up leaves efficiently. The optional tow bar kit lets you pull your Tazz behind a lawn tractor. When the job's done, Tazz is easily stored thanks to its compact size and small footprint. It takes up minimal room in your garage or shed. Tazz has the strength and durability to shred through yard waste year after year.
Recycle unwanted green waste with the DuraStar Eco Shredder, your #1 electric garden, chipper, shredder, and mulcher. With the Eco Shredder, you can now make your own organic garden mulch, reducing all your yard waste to a fraction of its size, saving you time and money. The 3-cycle shredding and mulching system ensures consistent results, breaking down all your leaves, sticks, and small branches into nutrient-rich compost to fertilize all your garden needs. The rounded hopper design with V-type blade makes cleanup and maintenance a breeze. Safety features include an overload protection switch that will turn off the motor during a jam. And unlike gas-powered shredders, it's a much quieter and cleaner operation. The 7-inch wheels have been designed for maximum portability across any terrain, and the compact design makes it easy to store in a shed or workshop. Each Eco Shredder comes with an environmentally friendly tamper and a free set of replacement blades. Every yard's better with an Eco Shredder.
We will appreciate your likes and comments. Enjoy your savings and subscribe for new deals.